Did you know that you can make over $40,000 a month on YouTube without showing your face, recording any videos, with no video editing skills and no investment? It may seem too good to be true, but I will show you proof of someone doing this and making a ton of money in the process. Now, just before we start, let me remind you that if you like this type of content and you'd like to see more, then support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And so you don't miss out on any future videos to come, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. With all of that said, let's now jump straight into the tutorial so I can show you everything. Alright, so in today's video, I will show you how you can make a lot of money through YouTube. And this literally doesn't involve filming anything, nor will you have to invest any money into this whatsoever. And I will show you step by step how to create certain types of videos that get a lot of views. So make sure you guys keep watching. With that said, let me now show you someone who is making a lot of money creating the same types of videos you will be creating as well. This channel is called Relaxing White Noise, and as the name of this channel suggests, this person is uploading various relaxing type videos. They contain sounds that people love to listen to either relax or fall asleep. As you can see, you have rain sounds, waterfall sounds, camp sounds. We have another video with rain sounds here as well, rain and thunder sounds just below, and so on. Here's one video I opened up to use as an example. It's the latest video from this channel, and I opened it up so I can show you what these videos consist of. For this particular video, you have a recording of rain falling in the forest, and of course, rain sounds in the background. But here's the thing, even though this video is 10 hours long, the clip you see is actually like 5 to 10 seconds long at most, and is simply looping for 10 hours straight. You can see that by skipping ahead to some later parts of the video. I skipped near the end here, and as you can see, the video still looks the same as it did in the beginning. In other words, you don't need some insanely long recording of rain falling to make a video like this. The same thing goes with the audio. It's a relatively short audio that is simply looping for 10 hours straight. And making a video like that with looping video and audio is insanely easy, as you will see soon enough. You literally don't need any skills to do that. The only thing that you do need is content, and I will show you where to obtain it. Before we get to that though, something I want to show you about this channel are the most popular videos so that you can see that you can actually make money creating these. And take a look at this. 2 of the most popular videos from this channel literally got over 100 million views each. So as you can see, if you make these types of videos, despite the fact that they are so simple and easy to make, you can get a lot of views. Obviously, you can't expect these kinds of numbers. This is instead to show you just how much potential this has, rather than how many views you will get on average. Another thing worth noting about this channel, guys, as well, is that the owner uploads just 2 videos per week, so you don't have to upload that often whatsoever to be able to make a lot of money. Speaking of, how much money are we talking about here? Well, check this out. According to Social Blade, the owner of this channel makes between $6,000 and $95,000 a month making those very simple videos. Since the real amount of money made is most of the time between those two estimates, it's safe to say we're talking about no less than $40,000 to $45,000 a month, which is of course insanely high nevertheless. Now with that said, guys, do keep in mind that you won't get these numbers right away. Once again, I'm just showing you how much potential this has. Not the numbers you will most likely get, but even if you make a tiny percentage of this amount of money, that will still be a lot considering the amount of work you will have put in. And with that said, let me show you how to make those kinds of videos with absolute ease using free platforms. And let's start off with the audio. 2 platforms I have for you where you can get rain sounds and other similar audio for relaxing videos you will be making are freesound.org and soundbible.com. You can use either of these two platforms, but for simplicity's sake, I will be simply using Freesound here as an example. And just a side note, you will need to register on Freesound if you want to download any audio, but I won't go over that process since it's very easy to do. Anyways, what you will need to do on either of these two platforms is search for a sound you will use in your first video. You can simply open up this channel and check out all of the sounds he's using, or you can just type in relaxing nature sounds in the search bar on YouTube and see what other channels in this niche are using as well. I will search for rain sounds in my example, since those seem to be the most often used on that channel. Check this out now. When I typed in rain, on Freesound alone, I found over 7,500 results. So I have an infinite amount of sounds to choose from. You can preview audio both on this site and Sound Bible as well by clicking on the play button here. And when you find something you like, you will want to open it up. To download it, you just have to click on the download button right here, and you will now have audio for your video. The next thing required to create a video is some clip of rainfall in my case. Obviously, if you download some other sound, you will search for a different kind of clip. But either way, a great platform to find royalty-free videos and clips on just about anything is storyblocks.com. And all you would have to do on here is type in what kind of video you want. And when you find something that looks good, you will want to click on this arrow here to download it to your PC. With that being said, something worth noting about Storyblocks is that it is not free. So if you don't want to pay them, you can just use Pexels.com or Pixabay.com to find royalty-free clips that you will then use in your videos. The process of downloading a video is quite similar to Storyblocks. Just type in what you want in the search bar, select videos here, and then when you find something you like, just click on this arrow to download it. Once you have both the video and audio, you now need something to combine the two, and a software you can use that I have recommended over and over again on my channel is none other than OpenShot. This is a very simple and free software that you can use to combine the video and audio you have and create a looping video that is several hours long. And I will show you now just how simple that is in Sony Vegas. So I am now in Vegas, guys, and bear in mind that even though this is a much more sophisticated software in comparison to OpenShot, what you will do in OpenShot is literally the same thing you would have to do in Vegas. And this is what you want. You will simply drag the video like so until it's several hours long, and then drag the audio until both are the same length. And that's literally it. That's all you would have to do, and from here you will just need to render your video, and when that's done, simply upload it onto YouTube. Once you start uploading videos, I would highly recommend you stay persistent and patient. Growing on YouTube is a very lengthy process, and you can't expect big numbers right away, but I can guarantee that you will get views after some time if you keep at it. Since, as you have seen it yourselves, the niche you will be uploading videos in is huge and very popular, so it's just a matter of time before you start getting some real numbers. And when that happens, you will start making quite a bit of money online as well. And with that said, this is it for today's video, guys. As always, if you liked it and you're enjoying my content, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up below to support my channel. And in case you don't want to miss out on any future videos just like this one, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll be notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you soon.